Maybe if you offered some to the Dunkin' Donut people, they'd let us eat inside.
Yeah,
With cover.
we're moving the party in Dunkin' Donuts.
Exactly.
Because there's no volcano people here for the party.
Volcano people. Oh my god. I don't get it. I tried not to
They
show.
did finish putting down the rest of the blinds. It must have been you, Helly.
No, that's... Oh, I wonder why it's like that now. They must have added more pillars. Those are pillars.
Well, yeah. You have the right-hand side blinds shut. And that...
No. No, I'm out. I'm just here for the cake. I think it's...
Just Cabbage had the first piece of cake. Happy anniversary!
We hope there's not one next year.
2 years of coercive control.
Way to go, Scientology.
2 years.
Oh,
It was cool.
yikes. Oh,
All right, now we can put out some good.
I want a piece. But I don't need a plate or a fork. Just a piece of cake. Which I'll eat off camera. Would you cut me a non-corner piece? Or not? I'll eat your cake.